Hi everyone, this is Vandana Verma and welcome back to our YouTube channel Lawyer Stuffs. After years of hard work, you have become a successful lawyer. You have completed your law degree and finally the day has come for which you have worked hard for years. But this is life. This is not the end. Now comes the time when you need to compile all those years of hard work into a successful legal career. So in this video, we are going to share with you some important tips and some tricks to convert all your years of hard work into a successful legal career. Be technologically advanced. Technology is an undeniable part in modern workplace. There are n number of innovations which will help you to become a better lawyer. So make most use of them, explore them, embrace them and try to become a better lawyer using technological advancements. What according to you is the most precious thing? To me, it is time, and time management is more precious than time. So make sure you manage your time properly. Time management is very important for lawyers. Keep a record of every task you do, and for that, start your day with a clear to-do list and make sure you follow the routine. It is definitely going to help you in becoming a competent multitasker and capability to prioritize work. So make sure you manage your time properly. Dressing well gives you a subconscious boost and confidence, and I'm sure confidence is very important for lawyers, so just make sure you dress appropriately. Communication is crucial for lawyers. The words you use when you speak to another person needs to be decent. You need to be an effective listener and a persuasive speaker. If you are an effective communicator, success can come much easier. Effective communication is all about being relevant and concise. Everyone is not gifted with this art and it needs to be learned and practiced. If you have completed your law degree, I assume you know advocacy and drafting are bread and butter activities of a lawyer. So it is very important to master your practical legal skills. Support your argument with well chosen exhibits. Prepare thoroughly. Preparation makes presentation simple. So make sure you prepare well and start working on your writing skills. Just avoid any type of spelling errors or typos, or just try to avoid any sort of errors, so that will definitely help you improve your writing skills. Networking and socializing. Networking and socializing are very important for lawyers. Be active on social media and make a good LinkedIn profile. Keep looking for opportunities, socialize with your colleagues, and try to help one another. Build more successful practice. Negotiate like a pro. Negotiating on behalf of your clients is every lawyer's day to day workload. Be courteous and collaborative as a negotiator, and for that, you need to have strong verbal communication skills so as to convince others about your arguments. So, make sure you negotiate properly and improve your negotiation skills. Be creative. Saying that lawyers are not creative is as inaccurate saying that the sky is blue. It's not controversial, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Just as it's inaccurate saying the sunrise sky radiating red, orange, yellow, purple, pink as blue, all the lawyers should not be lumped into some indistinguishable, uncreative. Sure, excellent lawyers are valued for their analytical skills and attention to detail, but the best lawyers are those who are also able to craft creative solutions, because it takes creativity to solve a problem. Find a mentor and keep asking questions. A mentor is a person to whom you can pose career or legal related questions. He can be your boss, your senior lawyer, or one of your friends can also act as a mentor. No lawyer starts their career fresh. So keep asking questions, and when I said keep asking questions, I didn't mean irrelevant questions. Ask good questions that will reflect that you have at least attempted to research. Be analytical. As soon as you start practicing law, you'll absorb a significant amount of information over time. Everything you read, see, or hear will be essential to your success. A successful lawyer can take in all the information, analyze it, and come up with a solution or conclusion best suited for the situation. So take some time to brush up your analytical skills. It will definitely help you down the road. Keep learning. Learning in the field of law never ends. Keep updating yourself about all the laws and legal developments happening. Learn new things and acquire new skills. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.